In front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluid Slide Fluid Theme and download free app from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then select Consent in the pop-up, and to mute the music right away, click at the bottom left corner. Now select those 3 lines at the bottom right one. Hit Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Yes. Then use this gear at the top right corner and adjust all of those wallpaper options however you want to. When you finished, go back and click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom. Then decide where you wish to apply it by tapping on one of those options. And close Magic Fluid's app. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!